Ever looked at your Peterbilt 335 and thought, this truck is a beast, but its pedals are just meh? Well, get ready to have your mind blown because this replacement square pedal, set with red oak wood inlay, is an absolute game changer. It's not just about replacing worn-out parts, it's about elevating the entire driving experience. Imagine stepping into your 2009 Peterbilt 335 and being greeted by the rich, warm tones of real red oak, perfectly inlaid into a precision-engineered square pedal. It's a touch of luxury and craftsmanship that you wouldn't expect in a heavy-duty truck, but it's here, and it's spectacular. The technical precision that went into these pedals is immediately apparent. They're designed as a direct replacement for the 2009 Peterbilt 335, meaning installation should be straightforward for anyone familiar with basic truck maintenance. The square design offers a modern aesthetic that complements the ruggedness of the Peterbilt, while the red oak inlay adds a unique, sophisticated flair. It's a bold statement that says you care about the details, even in the nitty-gritty components. Beyond the stunning looks, the functionality is key. These aren't just pretty pieces, they're built for performance. The grip is excellent, providing a secure feel underfoot, which is crucial for safety and control, especially during long hauls or demanding maneuvers. The materials feel robust and durable, suggesting they're built to withstand the rigors of daily trucking life. You can feel the quality in every press, a satisfying resistance that's both responsive and comfortable. It's the kind of upgrade that makes you appreciate the time you spend behind the wheel even more. This isn't just a part, it's an enhancement that brings a touch of class and superior feel to your Peterbilt 335. In short, if you own a 2009 Peterbilt 335 and you're looking for an upgrade that combines exceptional aesthetics with practical, high-quality performance, this red oak inlaid square pedal set is an outstanding choice. It's a beautiful fusion of form and function that truly transforms the driver's cabin.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.